support the two most deserving teams, the strongest of them all.
Yes, but before we get into that, we do have a few guests to show us their skills in the gorge. Our first show match will be a 2 versus 2. Team Caro versus Team Nochi. So let's get to know Team Caro first. First, what an absolute honor to have Kat here. Let's welcome.
Welcome, Kat. He's playing with who's considered to be the GOAT, the greatest of all time. And it's so exciting because there's a lot of 18 here. Thank you so much, and good luck to both of you.
Ng HOK, parang akala mo sa Chinese drama. O, kabog diba? Makapag-install nga ng video pagtapos nito. Ang Blacklist, let's go Joshi!
Two of the best looking players.
Kaya nga eh.
Wala ko rin, kaya ko ngayon na nag-break up ko yung Dito Promise yung 10 dito na-realize ko na
Sila Butter.
No fear and injustice. Teka lang, yung configuration nila dito.
那战略认为刘栋这样的这一期节目会有信心在这一局比赛当中去战胜无畏吗？
我相信我们会赢。
I think we will win.
You think you will win? Okay. Now, Ryan Jay, you're gonna be.
Si Carl pati si Josh yung watch and learn. Okay, pagka napanood nyo ako, Blacklist, pati kunin nyo na ako.
He's sending a message to our PKA players, Carl and Josh G, to watch them and to recruit you if ever he does better than them. All right, thank you so much.
Thank you, Team House. You may now go to
Wala ka sir, yung mga seated guest natin, yung iba dyan, nag-write sa HOK.
Oo. Sobrang spoiled kami, kasama sila H2, Remy K, Awe, Pagsunta. Thankful talaga ako kay Daddy Hawk. Pinapunta kami ng China, dami namin ang nagawa. Tapos, opportunities, super open. So, dito din yung mga player ko. I mean, sana tuloy-tuloy yung support ng ganito sa amin ni Daddy Hawk. Kasi syempre, bibigyan din namin sila ng support na kailangan nila.
He's saying how well taken care of he and his teammates are, including Raniche, Yawi, Sumpat, H2. They've been sent to different countries, like in China and in Riyadh. And he hopes that Daddy Hawk will continue to treat them very well. And in return, they will use their platform and their voice to help Honor Kings grow. Thank you so much. Let's give our KOLs a big round of applause.
Grabe 18! 2! 1!
Kamusta naman yung first performance namin ng Burn the Flame? Parang medyo mahina eh. Kamusta yung performance namin? For sure, nagustuhan nila yan. Salamat. Kaya, grabe. Parang naka-million streams agad eh. Talaga? Oo. Alam ko, ano gusto nyo? Kaya, tangko. Pero malaya, pero maraming salamat sa support nyo sa SDM, sa kanta, at syempre sa HOA. Para po sa mga hindi nakakaalam, yung Burn the Flame po is the official soundtrack of Honor of Flames. So sana po nagustuhan niyo yung performance.
Yes. Ayaw, di ka sumali, pre. Dapat sumali ka. Sana makaabot tayo sa finals, di ba?
Salamat.
Pero I just want to congratulate everyone, of course, sa the finalists. Sa lahat ng lumahok dito sa... balita ko hindi siyempre nakapasok home country, but next time, alam naman natin palag-palag yan. But we're very thankful. We just want to, siyempre, take this opportunity to, of course, promote our upcoming tour. It's going to be this week na. We're going to be going to Australia. It's going to be on December 5 at Melbourne Town Hall. And so December 6th, Sydney at Northwest Convention Center. December 12th, Auckland, the Chess Arena. December 14th at Red Hill Auditorium. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And the tickets are available at unitedtickets.com for Melbourne, Sydney, and Auckland. And also visit mashtix.com for Perth. May gusto mo ulit ano, napakinggan niyo na ba yung The First Take performances namin? Napanood niyo na yung Dam sa The First Take? Yeah, and to those na hindi pa napapanood yung performances namin sa The First Take, you can listen to our performance sa TFT YouTube channel. And kung yung mga friends nyo hindi pa napapanood, send nyo sa kanila yung para napanood nila. Yes, that's right.
And of course, gusto ko naman salamat sa lahat ng nakinig ng Burn the Flame. And siyempre, nakasali siya sa Billboard Digital Sales. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. 18, especially sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat. And of course, gusto niyo ba ba ng isa? I'll see you guys one more! Let's go, for our next song, let's go, let's go! sa buka, kung walang iba, kaya kabuka. Hindi na pinagyan sa buka. It's such a wonderful opportunity. Batay tayo dyan.
Isa pa!
Just so you know, dalawa lang po ang prepared namin.
Kaya nyo yan!
Gusto nyo ba?
Yes!
Gusto nyo pa ba?
Yes!
You guys are gonna get us tired, huh?
Pero, we just have one request. One request. Pag nag-iisa pa kami, pwede bang sumayaw ang lahat?
Yeah.
Pero, but, no pushing. Wala bang magtutulakan. We want everyone to enjoy the moment, especially people on the second floor, third, fourth, fifth. Wala bang magtutulakan, okay? 18, is that okay?
Everyone's okay to dance and enjoy as long as no one gets hurt, okay? Safety first, okay?
Hi,
Pero we want your
Sel!
energy to go up, okay? Okay, let's try. You want more? Mahina pa, yung pinakamalakas. Gusto niyo pa ba ng isa?
Pero, bago tayo umisa, syempre, we want to thank all the people who's here today. And, syempre, of course, thank you, Honor of Kings, and good luck to Homeboys and Nova sa championship.
Yes,
Maraming salamat po for having us here. It's okay, family. Thank you so much. We are very happy to spend the day with 18. Masaya ba kayo nakasama kami? Parang hindi kayo masaya. Masaya ba?
Lahat ko ng tao dito nag-i-shocking na. Sigurado kayo? Sige. Kasi madalas mag-stream kami tapos naglalaro kami online. Kung sino yung magkataon makalaro sana namin, laro tayo ng HOK. Parang hindi naman naglalaro yung mga tao dito. Hindi. Hindi natakot na rin.
Marami na naglalaro dyan. Nakakalaro mo kayo mga yan, dinuduro ko lahat yan eh. No joke, I'm really thankful. It's a great opportunity for us kasi personally, I'm a gamer, so it's one of my dreams to sing for this event. And syempre nare-represent natin ang Filipino talent, diba? But, hindi na natin matatagalin ba? Do you want more? Lahat kakanta! Lahat sisigaw! You're not just gonna stare there and do nothing and put your phones up. You all are gonna enjoy, okay? Let's do it one more time!
Let's go!